Hey, what's up, gang? Welcome to Board Game Arena. We're playing a game versus a decently ranked player. I noticed that they turned off um, Power Bird, so no Ravens, no Killdeer, no Franklin Skull, so that might be refreshing. Do we go Heavy Forest here? Do we do this? We're not starting, so we cannot necessarily grab that sapsucker. So that's a bit tricky, but I think we start like this, and then if they grab that fat sucker, we'll grab the grub and play our tanager to start. It'd be really great to get that sapsucker though. Large birds or omnivores. Nothing there that's an omnivore. So we're still going to omnivore. There is a blue jay there, but I don't know if it's going to be in our cards. We already have. Maybe we grab the sapsucker if possible. And if we do that, we exchange the tanager. Well, let's see. I think we grab the sapsucker, play it, get the grubs for our stilt, play our stilt, and grab the J if it's still sitting there. Now is no food, so I predict that tray is going to get reset. We can still hope. Still seems like we have a likelihood of getting a grub. And we'll get a second grub from our sapsucker and play the stilt. And if we do, we'll grab the food for the J. Probably get that Martin down first so we can cycle our tanager. There goes our grub. Oh, we played that guy in the grasslands. All right, we're going to hope for a grub. We got it. And, oh, there's two there. Okay. Let's see. I think we're going to, well, let's play our, well, let's grab, let us grab a grain. Nah. Let's play our stilt. Grab that J. Don't think we want the whistling duck. Common loon. Okay. So now I think we're going to grab the grain and a grub and play the Martin. Nothing there too exciting. Actually, I wonder, let's undo. Let's undo that. Let's get rid of one of our cards that we don't really want. Let's see here. Do we get rid of the loon? Do we get rid of the tanager? I feel like that, well, we're going to be able to get rid of the tanager. There will be better cards. We will grab a grub. And now we have food for both the Martin and the J. We can cycle that loon when we lay eggs. Not a bad start. Looking for omnivore birds. Okay. Interesting. I guess they really wanted that rat. Wonder what they got in their hand. Must be a raven. That'd be my guess. Let's see if I am correct. Nope, wood stork. So that is good. They are going to get the first end of round goal. Yep. Let's see here. Next one is sets of 3. I think we're just going to grab from the, well, let's grab the falcon, just in case those rats remain. If they don't get grabbed now, I'll be able to grab them because I've got 2 turns in a row coming. Excellent. Oh, but yeah, they'll be able to grab a grub or a cherry, but my rats will remain. So that's good. We're going to play our J. And then we can grab those 2 rats. And a grain. And then our egg laying capacity will be pretty good. Let's grab these guys. And we'll get a grub too. We've got very strong food generation. Take him. Gain that guy. I think we play our falcon. Maybe we get... Oh, there goes the turn. I was eyeballing that turn, but not today. Wondering, let's stick our falcon in the grassland. It is a heavy egg game. Sadly, now we don't have a card to cycle, so I guess we better grab one. Opponent has rather weak food generation. We are tied up. We have far more birds than our opponent, at least. I think we should actually lay eggs. And then, instead of worrying about the cycling of a card, get 2 cards. See a golden eye. Wondering if we don't get that Roadrunner. It is an omnivore. We are definitely getting that Roadrunner. Gotta remember what I got. Rat remains, which is nice. I think we get the Cassin's Finch. Nah. And a deuce is no good. Definitely get that Roadrunner. Then we go rat and probably cherry. Maybe rat and grub. Opponent does not have much food, so they might be grabbing food again. Nope. They're laying eggs. Feel like we're getting. Oh, they did grab the grub. So we'll go rat and cherry. Yeah. We'll take this guy as well. We have an overabundance of food. We might even lay down that goose in the grasslands. I mean, in the wetlands, just to get a card in there. Nah, there's a swan there. Sets of 3. I guess we're going to miss out on that swan. Nope, we can actually grab it currently. Is it worth it? Can grab it and one more. Be a much better play than our Canada Goose. Do we go with the Finch? Let's go Finch. And let's go Trumpeter Swan. And then we can get on the board for the end of round. Play our Roadrunner next. Cycle out that Canada Goose. Forget about my Martin. I could have cycled out my, I could have laid eggs and grabbed the Swan with my Martin. Let's see here. Yeah, draw. Let's get rid of the goose. I think, do we take, yeah, let's take the quail. It shouldn't be too hard to get with our current force setup. We nab a couple grain while the nabbing is good. If it remains once our turn comes around again. So maybe we play that. Well, let's see. Thinking Roadrunner, Swan, Finch, Food, Quail. Grab some cards somewhere in that mix so that we can cycle with our Martin. Maybe we skip the Finch and cycle it instead. Save that turn. How's our opponent doing? Hanging with 3 cards to R5. I feel pretty good. They had a rocky start. Double play time, interesting. Something that costs a grub. Oyster's turn. So they have built out their grass. Let's see, what do we need? They've built out their wetlands, and we are going to get rid of the cherry. You know what? We're gonna undo that. Let's do what we were planning. Get our grains while we can. Hope for one more. That's a shame. But life will go on. Now we can play our rooster, roadrunner, play our quail, go on a cycling spree with that finch. Get rid of this guy. And then at some point, play our swan. Eggs in cavities. We will have 6 spaces. Our opponent will have 5, so that's good. There we go. Now we've got a pretty respectable grasslands there. Not the most egg space, but enough to keep me busy for a while. We're on the hunt for, well, there's the coot. Do we grab the coot? 5-point play. Lots of egg space. I think we do. I think we do. Let's grab that coot. I'll do one more round of gaining food, which will be overkill. But that's our, oh, then we're gonna have to draw cards too. Is this coot really gonna be worth it? I think, yeah. We'll grab 1 grain, 2 grains. Couple cards to play in our wetlands now. Maybe we just use the coot to cycle. So we kind of wasted a turn there, so maybe not. One more turn. They do have, how many cards? They only have 3 eggs, so we got this end of round goal, which is nice. So let's undo all this. How many do we have currently? Currently we have 5. To our opponent's 3. We don't need to do this right now. Let's put that coot down. We're gonna have 4. And we still only have 3. We will give them, we'll give them a grain. Fish might be helpful for a point bomb. Let's draw some cards from the deck, shall we? Let's get rid of these two. My opponent doesn't get any funny ideas. Definitely worth getting rid of you. That would be nice. Maybe we play that one at the end. Just for fun. But nope, we're not going to have the food. Oh, we will if we... No. Nope, it's going to be the swan. Let's do the fish. Looks like we got the final end of round goal as well. And cards to cycle. Feeling good about this one. We've got an 8-point bonus card. Life is good. We've got tons of point scorers in our grasslands. What more could you ask for? Don't think our opponent has, let's see, they have a 4-point engine. We have a 6, potentially 7 or 8-point engine. So the game is over. Excellent. Awesome. And here we go, the final turn. Fill up our grasslands. How's our Roadrunner do? Last turn, nabs it. Falcon also nabs it, so that's beautiful. We got some good luck with our predators this game. Quite satisfying. Our opponent's final turn is the Whooping Crane. 3 bonus cards, but we got a doozy. Don't think they have that many. Well, they have quite a few birds. They have 9, so that should be enough to get them some decent bonuses. With a little luck. Well, let's go to the board. That's a big one. That is not. That one's okay, so we are lost 4 points from the bonus card, so we are sitting pretty. Let's see how our score is. .96 is very respectable. Well, that is the power of the grasslands. If you get cards that generate points in the grasslands, you are set. Thanks for watching, everybody. I will catch you next time.